And key players in the housing sector in the country say with President Bola Tinubu's administration policy and plan for housing development, things will turn out good for Nigerians. TVC News, Kazim Olowe reports.
Housing is one of the basic needs of man. It is also an important component of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. As a leader with good developmental plans for his people, President Bola Tinubu made affordable housing one of the special programs in his renewed hope agenda. His approach to housing development has been attracting commendations from key players in the housing sector. During the recent visit of the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Federal Housing Authority to Ogun State Government, he highlighted some of the plans of the federal government.
The President has realized that Nigerians are finding it difficult to get affordable housing. And we in FHA, we've decided to move around first to partners with governors of different states because they know the culture, the attitude, the ways of life of their people. We have decided that we are not going to force finishing people because at the end of the day, the cost not much on them. We're also looking at, so we've decided we'll go on carcass. We've also decided we'll go on studios, especially for the youths who are between the ages of 20s and 30, who are always complaining that they don't have shelter because of the financial implications of when houses are being finished, they can't afford.
While commending President Bola Tinubu's housing program, a real estate expert in Ogun State said the intervention of the president will reduce the challenge of housing deficit in the country.
President Bola Tinubu real estate is one of the best things that has ever happened to Nigeria. Presently, the federal government just injected about 25.5 billion naira, into the supplementary budget to finance housing in the country, and I see that as a wonderful development.
He maintained that shelter remains one of the major provisions a government can give to its people, and the federal and Ogun State governments are working hard to provide affordable housing for the people. He affirmed that the gesture will make life more abundant for the people of the state. Kazim Olowe, TVC News, Abeokuta.